listening. It doesn't have to be eyeball the whole time, but not hitting the paper.
That's how I always talk to him.
Yeah.
I scowl at him and look into his brain.
Action.
Scene 12E, take 1. Action.
And line in.
All right, George. Besides your infection, which we'll get to in a minute, you're no longer a little kid. And that means that you have more real problems.
Start again. Pick up again.
Okay.
When you're ready.
All right, George. Besides the infection in your hand, which we'll get to in a minute, we need to talk. You're no longer a little kid, which means you're dealing with real things. Is there anything you'd like to talk about?
No, you sound like my mom.
I'm sorry to be asking such private matters. I respect that this can be difficult.
Okay.
Let me give you a sense of the questions that we'll be asking. Some are pretty specific, like overall health, personal safety and behavior. And some will be more general about your, I just did
That's right. Let's pick it up from you. Sound like my mom?
Still rolling.
No, you sound like my mom.
I'm sorry to be asking such private matters. These can be, I respect that these can be questioned.
Again?
Can you do it?
Stop, no.
Oh, no. Yes.
Okay.
Big breath in.
Sound like my mom.
So we're going to clean edit in line. And when you're ready.
No, you sound like my mom.
I'm sorry to be asking such personal matters. I respect that these can be difficult questions.
Okay.
Let me give you a sense of the questions I'll be asking. Some will be about your safety and behavior. Some will be about your overall health. Do you have any questions before I start?
Nope.
Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're in the car, do you always wear your seatbelt?
No.
And texting. Do you or does another person text and drive?
No.
Are you or anyone else driving under the influence or any other kind of drug or substance?
No. Well, once, but I didn't know about it until afterward.
So someone else drove and you didn't know that they were buzzed or high? How did that make you feel?
I mean, I don't really think about it, but I guess it was kind of a jerk move. We don't, talk or anything anymore.
So what would you do next time you were in that situation?
Well, I don't intend to be in a situation like that again, but, I guess I'll call somebody or get somebody else to drive me.
I'm glad you have a plan. It doesn't seem like a big deal until somebody gets hurt. Okay. Let's talk about substances for a minute. Is there any drugs or alcohol that you've ever used to relax or to socialize?
I've tried it.
How often do you do anything?
Once or twice, a few times.
Drugs or alcohol?
Usually alcohol.
Tell me about what you've had, how much you've had, and how you feel when you use it.
Well, we usually just get a bottle of something and mix it with juice, soda, energy drinks. It really depends on how much we have to share and how much time we have.
Do you ever feel pressured by your friends to drink?
Not usually. There are people like that, but if I don't want any, usually it's just more for them.
I don't remember the line.
Okay. That's right.
That was a great.
Yeah, it was awesome though. Pick it up when you're ready.
Okay.
Give us a nice full transition space for it though.
Okay. You didn't say how much you generally drink and how you feel when you are drinking.
Can you do it again without paper?
Wait, I need to know the line right here.
See, I
Okay,
saved
okay,
you.
thank you.
Transition time. Okay.
You didn't say how much you generally drink and how you feel when you are drinking.
I usually just have one or two. One time, a friend and I drank almost a full bottle of vodka, so
Thank you for your honesty. How did you feel after you drank the whole bottle of vodka?
I was up puking all night.
Wow. This has me concerned for you. We need to talk about brain development. What? Oh, large amounts of alcohol over a short time can have an impact on your brain development and other parts of your health. Blah, 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 blah.
Go ahead, back
Okay.
up to that point.
Do you want me to go? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. This has me concerned for you. Large amount of alcohol over a short amount of time can impact your brain development and your overall health. Do you ever use any other drugs while you're alone?
No.
Do you ever forget things while you're drinking alcohol or doing drugs?
No.
Okay, just one more question. Do you or your friends smoke?
Yeah, but I don't really care for it.
Okay. Thanks for having this conversation with me. I have these conversations with all my patients.
Hold.
This is that
Yep,
huge
this is the
ass
long one.
line.
So before we go into that one,
Yep.
I'm gonna change the shot, and then we've got a longer speech that she ends
Love
this scene with. Is that right? It ends the scene itself?
Yep.
Is that the